Hi everyone, today is the 24th of January and this is how the model is looking at right now. We've got the front and the back wheel frames all set up. That's the good news. So I'm actually at step 267. Now for the bad news, as I come to step 268, I realized that I'm missing this black wheel here. Sorry, black gear here. And knowing that initially I wasn't that careful in choosing my parts carefully and correctly, I sort of went back and see where all those black gears would be at, and guess what? I was right. It was all the way next to the gearbox. It's somewhere right below this yellow rod, right in front of that white gear, right after that grey patch. So, and guess what step number it is? It is actually step number 19. Yep. So close to step number 19 or rather step 18 where I made the mistake. So I am going to be such a teardown and rebuild expert after this is over. We'll update later. So one of the things I did before I do the teardown is to work backwards, and what I've done is for each of the different sections, for the remaining part to put together the front and back wheel, this is the engine, and then for the rest of the process up to 324, what I've done is I've actually gone through and checked and make sure that I've actually have all the components and I don't have any more parts that could be wrongly fitted in early in the process. So that's one more step I'm taking before the teardown, just to make sure that I don't have to do another one again. So I have finally come down at step 70 actually, fortunately, to correct that piece here. So what I have to do now is to then slowly put everything back from 70 all the way back to 237 where I stopped. So hopefully it doesn't take as long as I did the last time. So this should be the correct movement and the correct gear. Let me figure that out. Okay, one more chance to see how this thing works. So this is the drive shaft. And then when I change the gear shift, it's all working properly now, yay! And when it's neutral, obviously, nothing moves, alright!